Hi everyone, my name is Marla and welcome to Fun Science Demos. On our channel, we like to talk about resources and tools that are inexpensive and easy to use. Last time, we talked about the Micro Mini that makes your eyes 20 times more powerful. Today, we'd like to show you the MicroFlip that makes your eyes even more powerful. With the MicroFlip, we can actually see cells. All living things are made up of cells, and they are really tiny. Now, in order to see cells, we have to make our eyes 100 times stronger, and that's where the MicroFlip comes into play. Today, we have some prepared slides here that already have cells on them. This one is cells from a liver, and these two are cells from a tree. On these prepared slides, this is cut really thinly so light can shine through for us to use this MicroFlip. Let me show you how this works. So on this side, we have our light button. We can see that light shining through. I'm going to take my prepared slide and place it right underneath like so. Up here, I've got my magnification. We're going to stay right on 100 times power. And down here, I can use this knob to focus. So I've got my slide focused to where I can actually see cells. Oh, that's so cool. But you can't see the cells. Let's take a closer look together. Another cool feature that the MicroFlip has is this adapter right here. This adapter lets me connect it to any smartphone. We've zoomed in so we can see the setup a little bit closer. Right here, I've got my MicroFlip with my prepared slide already attached. I've got my adapter right here. And over here, I've got my smartphone already open to the camera app. So I've got everything set up here and we can actually see cells. But be careful, these big things right here, those aren't the cells. Those are channels that bring water throughout a plant. So we've got our cells, we've got the channels that are bringing water throughout the plant. Let's actually zoom in a little bit more using my smartphone. Look how cool that is. Let's use my smartphone to see if we can actually capture these cells and channels. Okay, see these structures right here? These are the channels I was talking about, the channels that bring water throughout the plant. All of these little shapes all throughout, these are the cells that are found in a plant. So now I've taken out my plant prepared slide, and this is what we're looking at. Liver cells right now, but it's kind of hard to see, so I'm going to do what I did before and use my smartphone to zoom in even more. Okay, I'm going to take a picture because I've got very wobbly hands. And let's see, if we take a closer look, each of these little structures that you can see, these are cells of a liver. Here, we've got all of these different prepared slides that are really easy to get online, and they're pretty affordable. You can actually experience the micro world at either 100 times stronger or 250 times stronger using Carson's MicroFlip right here. You can bring science to you using Carson's MicroFlip. This MicroFlip comes with a smartphone adapter that can adapt to any smartphone. As you discover more of the micro world, you can have the ability to take pictures or videos and share them with your friends. If you would like to find out more about science and the science of living things, check out our YouTube channel, Fun Science Demos. Thanks for watching.